Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Render for deploying no-code APIs. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with Render, open your web browser. Navigate to the Render website. Once you are on the home page, look for the Sign In button. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, you need to enter your email address. After entering your email, click on the Continue button. Render will send a verification email to the address you provided. Check your inbox for the email from Render. If you don't see it, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Once you find the email, open it. Look for the login link provided in the email. Click on that link to verify your email address. You will now be taken back to Render's platform. Now you can create a password or use an existing one if prompted. After setting your password, click on Login to access your account. Once logged in, you will see your Render dashboard. From here, you can start deploying your no-code API. To create your first API, click on the New button. Select the option for API from the drop-down menu. Follow the prompts to configure your API settings. After configuration, click on Deploy to launch your API. Wait for the deployment process to complete. Once finished, your no-code API will be ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.